Everybody, it's Tommy with the Brotherhood of the Bearded Pig.
It's Bear with the Brotherhood of the Bearded Pigs too. We're gonna ride for the first time together with their KLRs. As you can see them in the background here. I have the 2015 KLR and she has got the 2022
Adventure model,
yeah,
with the ABS.
Yep. So we're gonna kind of putz around our old stomping grounds, hit some dirt roads here, switch it up, and just come along for the ride.
It's gonna be fun.
So we're gonna switch things up. I'm gonna ride Chad's and never mind.
Hey, it's Bear. I wanted to let you know that today's video is unofficially sponsored by Mototomic. We love their gear. I think you will too. Check them out, mototomic.com.
Bear and I just got done with a ride and a little lunch and libation at Shields Tavern, the oldest tavern in Michigan, located in Hubbardston.
So Chad, what did you think of my bike?
Oh, I'd ridden your bike a couple of times, and your bike was what got me interested in purchasing a KLR in the first place. I like the dual sport nature of it. You got to ride my bike.
Yep.
So we all know 2015 KLR's been around a while.
Yep.
It's a successful platform, but they discontinued it. So they made some improvements. We know what the improvements are to the 2022 KLR.
Yep. So back to back. So like we literally like switch bikes in mid ride, and my bike is a lug. This one has a lot more responsive throttle. So if you want a little bit more response on the KLR, like the fuel injection and what they're doing now, I think makes a big difference, because mine, it takes a little bit to get up and go, and this one was very, very responsive. The suspension is maxed out on this one. I love it. I'm getting the suspension redone on mine, and if it's as tight as this one is, I'll be really, really happy. I like the improvements thus far. I'm glad that you got rid of the rubber pegs too.
Yes,
So these
IMS super stock pegs with the Tusk hard mount conversion kit, and I really liked it too.
So okay, so let's just do a real quick Farkle analysis, because we did the Farkle Fever.
We did.
And
I did my Farkel install video.
So your opinion, 1 to 10, 10 being like the best thing ever, 0 being, or 1 being like complete crap. Bark busters here.
We're gonna go a 4 on the bark busters because I haven't had to use them yet. I'm sure when I start hitting the tight stuff, I'll be appreciative, and bark busters will be a 10 out of 10, especially when I layer down and I'm not knocking things off.
Yeah.
One thing that I did notice, it's still the mid 40 degrees today in Michigan in April, is the loss of the wind protection in comparison to the OEM style, which was much wider and deeper basket, which protected my hands. So I did double up on my gloves today. But overall, adequate protection. The windshield extension, I did get a little bit of general buffeting depending on the wind direction, but I'm not getting sliced in the face by the wind coming off the windscreen. So 10 out of 10.
Okay, so compared to the bubble screen on mine, which also has the KLR dash.
Similar buffeting.
Okay, I would agree.
Similar buffeting. The pegs were awesome. The shifter was good. Didn't really come across any tough stuff, but you can see how much mud I was throwing up on the skid plate, and I have a lot more confidence in that Enduro Engineering skid plate.
Good. So, yeah, I like your bike, man.
Very nice.
I'm not gonna lie. I love Scar, which is the name of my bike. Yes, I am a weirdo. I hate digital.
You hate digital. So how important is the tachometer and temperature readings on the Gen 2 KLR dashboard?
Very important, because guess what? We burn oil.
You can burn oil.
When the oil starts burning, that's when the engine gets hot.
That is true. So how do you like your KLR soft luggage?
Good. So soft luggage. I prefer the soft luggage on most scenarios because I can, like, you can stuff things in here like big time. I just replaced the side bags with the KLR. I'm not one to like start drilling through frames and stuff like that to get something to fit my motorcycle. This one extends. I can put a lot of stuff in here. I do have the Mototomic bag, which I'll be using for camping. Easy on, easy off. Bright orange, I love it. For everyday use, I'm still going to use this one off of the trunk. The only scenario I don't like about it is you can't lock them up.
Which our camera gear is locked into my OEM hard panniers while we had our lunch.
Yeah, so that's the one bad thing about soft luggage is there's no way to lock it, so you can't put anything in there. So, but yeah, I mean, it's been a brisk day of riding. It's been a good day of riding. I'm gonna flip this over. We've had fun. This will be hopefully the first of many this summer. So, but I think today's about a wrap.
About a wrap.
Because we both got to get home. And yeah. All right, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.